This 5-minute solution will show you how to lock Google Keep Notes. First of all, let's lock our Google Keep Notes in Android. As you can see, I have the Google Keep Notes application. To lock this Google Keep Note, first of all, we will install an app in our Android phone. To do that, open your Play Store and here search for App Lock, and we will use this app. So install this App Lock. Once it's installed, open the App Lock app and now create a pattern for the App Lock system. Verify the pattern, and once done, here you will get all of your installed apps. Now scroll down and find out Google Keep Notes. Here's mine. Now to lock Google Keep Note, tap on this lock icon next to it, and as you can see, my Google Keep Notes is locked now. And now it's time to check. So I'm going to tapping on Keep Notes, and as you can see, it's asking for my pattern. After verifying my pattern, I can access my Google Keep Notes. This is how we can lock Google Keep Notes in Android. And now let's lock Google Keep Notes in iOS or iPhone. Go to your iPhone and now you have to install Shortcut, and you can install the Shortcut app from App Store easily. So install the Shortcut app and launch it. And then at the bottom you will get automation. Tap on it and tap on new automation, and here scroll down and search for app. Then tap on app and tap on choose, and here scroll down and search for Google Keep Note. Select Google Keep, tap on done, and here select run immediately, and make sure to disable notify when run. And tap on next, and here select new blank automation and tap on add action, and here tap on the search box and type here lock screen and tap on lock screen. Once it's added, tap on done, and now if I try to open my Google Keep Notes app, as you can see, my iPhone locks automatically, and to use Google Keep Note, I have to verify my Face ID or finger. After verifying your Face ID or finger, you will be able to use your Google Keep Notes. This is how we can lock Google Keep Notes in Android or iOS. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.